Hey guys, and welcome to my first tutorial on how to create blood text. It's pretty much the same thing as crystal text, except I'll be using a blood image. Alright, so first you want to open your tracks. If you're going to use the audio during your video, you need to open the audio track first. Then you need to open 3 video tracks. 1, 2, 3. Now the audio will be down here, but I'm not going to use audio in mine, so I'm just going to minimize that. Alright, first thing you want to do, you want to come over here to compositing mode. Click on compositing mode, multiply and mask. This is in the first box, by the way. And now you should see the X right there. For the second box, you want to click on the compositing mode and click custom. Now you want to select Sony height map and click OK. Now this should come up. Now what you want to do here is select for the amplitude, you want to select 0.04, and it will add the third automatically. In the elevation, you want to select 0.08, 0.04, 0.08. Now, you don't want to touch the transparent background. That's already good. The intensity should be okay. And then you go over to smoothness and change it from 14 to 9. We're going to go into that later, but for now, just make it 9. It'll help you in the long run. Alright. Step 2. You want to now insert your picture. Now repeat this with me. Insert your picture in the third box. If the picture goes into any other boxes, it will ruin your entire little setup here. So the third box, and make it about 10 seconds. Now, on the second box, you insert text media. Now just type whatever you want to type as your text. There we go. And I'll just name it blood text. There we go. Now, you don't have to use Arial. You can select a different font. I'm just going to use Arial for this video. Alright, now, exit that and make this just as long as the picture itself. Alright. Now, where it says blood text, right click on that and select copy. And right above it, select paste. Now this will come up. Paste options. Normally you would select create a new copy of the source media, but today you're going to select create a reference to the original media. Then OK. Now that what that does is pretty much it makes this top part the same thing that the bottom part is. So if you do something to one side, it'll happen to the other. Alright. Now you want to select event pan and crop. And select a good part of your picture. Not there. Right there. Select a good part of your picture for your text. Alright, after you do that, your text down here should show up as bloody already, but you're not finished yet. Now you want to select event pan / crop again, and now put it at 1 dot, move it over a couple to about right there, move it over again, and then pretty much just keep doing this until your entire time segment is filled up with these. And then just hang on one moment as I finish doing this. Make sure, by the way, that the dot's kind of centered, otherwise it'll cut out some of your text. Alright, now we should be good there. And that's pretty much it. Just look down, make sure that when you press play that it all comes out smoothly and nicely. And thanks guys, just render that project and you're finished. I'm out. Subscribe, comment, rank, whatever you gotta do.